Hello and happy National Mentorship Month. My name is Demi, and this week I'm back to talk to you all about how you find a mentor for your new nursing role. There's really two avenues that you can go down when you're looking for a mentorship situation for your new role in nursing. The first is to look within your hospital, and the second is to look outside of your hospital. So if you're interested in in-person mentorship, the best route is going to be to go look within your hospital first. See if they have an internal mentorship program. If they do, their program is already going to outline for you, how often you meet, when you meet, for how long you meet, and really who this person is. Sometimes hospitals choose to use mentors within your own unit, and other times hospitals choose to use mentors in different departments to help give you kind of a different perspective on things. So if you're interested in in-person mentorship, going through your own hospital system would be the best route to try to track that down. In order to do that, I encourage you to reach out to your unit leadership. This can be your charge nurse, your unit manager, your nurse educator, whoever it might be that's in your leadership structure. If you either A, don't want to do in-person mentorship, or B, your hospital doesn't have a mentorship program, then that's where businesses like mine come in. Looking on social media to find nurse mentors is a huge market for you to find the right mentor to match the situation that you're in. Social media has a ton of nurse mentors. There's also self-paced mentorship programs through online courses that you can find. But really using your social media platform to track down nurse mentors is a great way to find what different programs are out there and what is offered for you. Remember that nursing mentorships or mentorships in general aren't about teaching you nursing skills necessarily. It's not about teaching you, how to put in an IV, how to put in a Foley or things like that. It's about teaching you the tips and strategies to walk you through your role as a nurse, how to support you through that role, how to really make the mindset shifts that you need to make in order to be successful in your role. So keep that in mind when you're looking for a nurse mentor on a social media platform, that you're not necessarily getting that hands-on skill, but that's not really what mentorship is about. The other thing that you can do is set up an informal mentorship. If you have someone on your unit that is a role model of yours, that, looks like they have a really good handle on their workflow, they know policy and procedure, they handle the stress of the job well, you can always approach that person and develop an informal mentorship situation. And that's always a great thing to do too. It's always great when you have people in your corner, no matter what avenue it goes through. But looking for that in an informal way can also be a nice bridge to a more formal mentorship program. So those are really the avenues that you can go. And I want to remind you that when you're looking for a mentor, you should treat it just like a job interview. You're interviewing them just as much as they're interviewing you. Not every mentor and mentee pair is going to be a great pair, just like not every unit is the right unit for you to work on. So you want to make sure that you find someone whose personality jives with yours. You want to make sure that the conversation is easy to have, that you don't feel intimidated or feel like you want to hide information from them, because the more honest and the more vulnerable you can be, the more you're going to get out of mentorship. You want the conversation itself to be easy, because the content of the conversation is going to be difficult. It's going to challenge you. It's going to push you. But you really want to make sure that you connect with your mentor on a personal level, no matter what platform you use, whether you choose to do in-person or more of a virtual platform. So those are really the three major ways that you can look for a mentor: going through your hospital for a formal mentorship, going through social media for more of a virtual mentorship, or really seeking a more informal mentorship platform on your own with someone in your unit.